Mastering the phrase, it's second nature. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that you might have heard before, it's second nature. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into how native speakers express concepts of habit and ease. Let's unravel the meaning and use of "it's second nature" together. The phrase, "it's second nature," refers to something that someone does so effortlessly and automatically that it seems like it's a natural part of them, almost as if they were born doing it. But it's important to note that these skills or behaviors were acquired through practice and repetition. They weren't innate abilities. When we say a task or skill is second nature to someone, we're acknowledging their high level of proficiency and comfort with it, to the point where they no longer need to consciously think about what they are doing. To make this clearer, let's look at some examples. 1. Driving a car can become second nature to people who have been driving for years. They can navigate roads, change gears, and make turns without actively thinking about each step. 2. For a professional pianist, reading music and playing complex compositions is second nature. Their fingers move over the keys with ease, guided by years of practice. 3. Using a smartphone has become second nature for many people today. Swiping, typing, and using apps are done quickly and without much thought. These examples show how diverse skills and activities can become deeply ingrained through experience. So, how can you make a new skill or habit second nature? Here are a few tips. 1. Consistent practice. Repetition is key. Regularly engaging in the activity will help cement it in your muscle memory and mind. 2. Start small. Break down the skill into smaller, manageable tasks. Mastering these can make the overall skill easier to learn. 3. Patience and time. Remember, becoming proficient takes time. Be patient with yourself and acknowledge your progress. Understanding the phrase, "it's second nature," offers a glimpse into how English speakers conceptualize ease and mastery over skills and habits. We hope this video has made the concept clear and inspires you to think about what activities have become second nature in your own life. Keep practicing, stay curious, and before you know it, speaking English might just become second nature to you too. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.